Hey everyone, this is Jackson from TownSteel. When it comes to upgrading outdated locks, you need a solution that's fast, reliable, and built for retrofit. Rejuvenator 2.0 offers a complete lineup to revitalize almost any type of door hardware in your facility. Our Mortise Rejuvenator 2.0 option fits directly into existing prep, giving older doors modern ANSI BHMA Grade 1 performance without major modification. Our E-Contos is ideal for heavy use areas where durability and consistency matter most. We also have different Mortise chassis options available for door preps from different major manufacturers. For cylindrical openings, Rejuvenator 2.0 delivers a clean, fast retrofit using the door templating you already have in place. Our Aegis board lock offers a simple upgrade path for facilities looking to modernize appearance and security simultaneously. Our exit device trim option allows you to replace and refresh worn out or outdated openings while keeping the existing device and door intact. Our Aegis ESG enhances reliability and uniformity across high traffic egress points without expensive replacements. Also included in TownSteel's Rejuvenator 2.0 lineups is a series of ligature-resistant, Deadbolt, indicator, and specialty function products, like our Aegis SLD, our MRXA, and our Aegis board lock that I mentioned earlier. We will cover these more in depth in subsequent videos. No matter the application, Mortise, cylindrical, exit trim, deadbolt, indicator, or ligature resistant, Rejuvenator 2.0 brings your existing doors up to modern standards with minimal disruption. It's the easiest and most cost-effective way to upgrade your facility with stronger security, a uniform look, and trusted certifications. Learn more about the Rejuvenator 2.0 at www.townsteel.com.